is a triangle, and these are the two interior angles we know. We want to find the third angle, and we can easily do that because we know that the interior angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now let's use this information to find the missing angle of this triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. We know angle A is 80 degrees and angle B is 40 degrees. Let's put x instead of angle C because we do not know its measure. 80 plus 40 is 120. Now let us subtract 120 from both sides of the equation. We get x equals to 60 degrees. The angle C of the triangle is 60 degrees. We can also do this in a more simple way by just subtracting the two angles we know from 180. 180 minus 80 is 100. 100 minus 40 is 60. There we are. We found the missing angle in a super simple way. Let's now do this example to hone our skill. The triangle DEF has two angles that measure 70 degrees and 10 degrees, and we are looking for the third angle. Let us put the values we know into the formula. It's x plus 70 plus 10 equals to 180. 70 plus 10 is 80. We subtract 80 from both sides of the equation and we get x equals to 100 degrees. Alternately, we can just subtract 70 and 10 from 180. 180 minus 70 is 110, and 110 minus 10 is 100. Once again, we found the missing interior angle in the most simple way. And what if we get a triangle that looks like this? We only know one angle. How can we find the missing angle if we do not know the second angle? Well, this little square symbol over here denotes a right angle. In other words, a 90-degree angle. Great! We now have two angles, so we can put the values into our formula. It's x plus 90 plus 20 equals to 180. 90 plus 20 is 110. Let's subtract 110 from both sides of the equation, and what we get is x equals to 70. Alternately, we can do it like this. 180 minus 90 is 90, and 90 minus 20 is 70. Good job! We have just learned how to find the missing angle of a right triangle. My son wants to do the next question, so I'll let him explain it.
Hello, people. In this triangle, we only know one angle, but don't worry because this is an isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangles have two identical sides, and the angles opposite to those sides are also identical. So we know that this angle is also 50 degrees. 50 plus 50 is 100, and we subtract that from 180 and we get 80 degrees, and that's measure of the missing angle.
Oh, it looks like he actually sounds better than me. I hope that was clear for everyone. Now let's do another isosceles triangle to make sure everything is clear. This time, we know the angle that is different from the other two, and we want to find the identical angles. We simply put x instead of the missing angles, and it's x plus 70 equals to 180. X plus x makes 2x. Now let's subtract 70 from both sides. It's 2x equals to 110. We divide both sides by 2 and we get x equals to 55. The identical angles of this isosceles triangle is 55 degrees. If you have watched up to this point, you should now be able to find the missing angle of any triangle. Feel free to share questions in the comments if there is anything you do not understand. And make sure you push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Have a good day.